doing, guys? It's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this beautiful Yamaha XSR900. So this one is a 2016 on a 66 plate. It's only done 2,618 miles, and as you can see, it's stunning. Let me just do this a second. So it's been upgraded with a full LED front light. It's also got a radiator guard on there. It's got different grips with the bar and mirrors, Smart and G protection, and it's also got that full blacked out Zard exhaust system, and we have actually remapped the bike as well. So it's running perfectly. Basically this is an MT09 but a retro style, so you get that 3-cylinder engine. It's got adjustable traction control, 3 different power modes, and you also get ABS. They're a really nice bike, plenty of nice extras on there. They look the business, they sound fantastic, so if you rewind a little bit you'll get to hear it. Also comes with the Quadlock as well. And it's a nice thing. LED rear light, LED front light, like I said, what's been upgraded. Looks like in a fantastic colour, sounds the business, and they're a real good seller for us. Nice low mileage bike, and we have sold it previously as well. So if you do want to get yourself this beautiful bike, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.